Hey everyone, yasas, que kalos tirtate to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I have another chicken dinner for you that combines two of my favorite meats, chicken coquinisto, which is kotopulo coquinisto, cooked chicken cooked in a tomato sauce, and then arakas. Arakas is a vegetarian stew made with green peas, potatoes, sometimes we have some carrots in there. I'm combining both together to bring you a chicken with pea and potato stew that's ready in like about an hour. You can get this on the table on a busy weeknight. It's nutritious, hearty, and so delicious. Let me show you how I make it. Okay, so I'm using bone-in and skin-on chicken thighs and drumsticks. You can use a whole chicken for this if you want. You can even remove the skin if you don't like skin in the meal. That's totally fine. I do prefer the bone-in because it releases a lot of flavor into the dish and it's just so tender and delicious. So I'm gonna season it with some salt and freshly cracked black pepper on both sides. My skillet is heating over medium-high heat. I'll add a little bit of olive oil to it. The chicken is gonna go skin side down for about 5 minutes on each side until it's nice and crispy and golden. Then I'll transfer it to a plate. And then I finely chopped an onion. That's gonna go in. Make sure you reduce the heat a little bit so it's not scorching hot and doesn't burn the onion. The onion is gonna cook for about 5-10 minutes until it's nice and soft and golden. Then we're gonna go in and add some garlic cloves. About 3 is the minimum. You can add more. I always add more. We're just gonna cook the garlic until it's a little bit fragrant. And then I've also chopped up some carrots. I have baby carrots on hand all the time because we snack on them. Just go ahead and roughly chop them. I've also peeled some baby golden potatoes and I'm just gonna cut those up into little bite-sized pieces. Those are also gonna go in with the onion and the garlic right now. We're gonna season everything with salt, freshly cracked black pepper, a little pinch of crushed red pepper flakes if you like them, and 15 ounces of tomato sauce. I like using tomato sauce because it has a little bit of seasoning in it. They also add a little bit of sugar, which offsets the acidity. If you're using crushed tomatoes that are out of a can, you can add a little bit of sugar to it or some honey just to kind of offset that. And then we're gonna rinse the bowl out with a little bit more water, so about a cup of water. That's gonna help everything cook. The potatoes are gonna soak that up and you want it to have a little bit of a sauce to it. The chicken is gonna go back into the pot and we're gonna cook this until it comes to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to a medium. Cook this for about 35-40 minutes covered. Then we're gonna uncover it and I'll add 1 pound of frozen green peas. I have these on hand all the time. They're so easy to use and they're so loaded with flavor and nutrition. Those are gonna go in with lots of dried dill, a heaping teaspoon or more, whatever you like. I also like to add a little bit of dried mint to this, just a little pinch. And I'll just cover the pot again and let this cook for about 20 minutes. The chicken is gonna be fully cooked. Those potatoes are gonna be fork tender. The green peas are also gonna be tender. The whole thing is just gonna be delicious. You can give it a taste at this point and adjust the seasoning if you need to. And that's it, it's ready to serve. And there you have it. Just like that, you'll have a cozy, delicious meal on the table in about an hour. You really can't beat it. Your family's gonna get all those delicious vegetables, juicy chicken. All you need to serve this with is some toasted bread, maybe some feta and olives on the side. And if you want a salad, like a green salad would be perfect with this. Amarula salata goes so great with this. I hope you guys give this one a try. Let me take a little bite because those peas and potatoes, I'm calling my name. So good. And those carrots also became nice and sweet. Carrots and peas are sweeter vegetables. The potatoes just melt in your mouth and just, oh my God, they're just so perfect. I love using bone-in chicken thighs and drumsticks because they're less expensive than other cuts of chicken and they stay nice and juicy and tender. They're so good. You can make this with beef if you want or even with lamb. Of course, it's gonna take longer. I hope you guys give this one a try. The exact measurements are on the blog, dimitrasdishes.com. Check the recipe out, print it out, make this for your family and let me know how it turns out in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.